Hello students. So in this video we will discuss questions on freezing point depression, also from NCERT. The first question says that 45 grams of ethylene glycol is mixed with 600 grams of water. So mass of solute is given. Solute is our ethylene glycol whose molecular formula is given to us, C2H6O2. Okay, and the mass of solute is given. Solute is ethylene glycol. Its mass is 45 grams. It is mixed with 600 grams of water. So mass of solvent is also given to us, that is 600 grams. Solvent is water. You have to calculate two things. First one is your freezing point depression. Second one is freezing point of solution. Solution means when solute glycol, ethylene glycol is added to that solvent, water, then what is the freezing point of solution? Okay. So Kf for water is also given to us, 1.86 Kelvin kg mole inverse. So first you write down this question, then we will start solving it. Okay, now first of all we need to write down what is given to us. First one is W2 mass, given mass of solute. Solute is our ethylene glycol. So W2, this is given mass of solute, is given to be 45 grams. M2 means molar mass of solute. Molar mass of solute we can calculate from the molecular mass. Okay, molar mass of solute, formula is C2H6O2. So calculation of molecular mass, when we calculate the molecular mass, we will get to be 62 grams per mole. Okay, we can calculate by addition of atomic masses, you will get 62 grams per mole. Now W1, that is mass of solvent, is also given. That is equal to 600 grams. Okay, mass of solvent is given. Solvent is water, solute is ethylene glycol. Mass of solvent is 600 grams, that is given to us. And Kf, since solvent is water, the Kf for water is also mentioned, that is 1.86 Kelvin kg mole inverse. And another thing we need here, to calculate freezing point of solution, we need freezing point of pure water. Now until and unless mentioned, the freezing point of pure water symbol is TF naught. The freezing point of pure water is 0 degree Celsius, you know that. Water is our solvent. So pure water we can also write pure solvent. Okay. So freezing point of pure water, you know it to be very well, 0 degree Celsius. And if we write in Kelvin, it is 273.15 Kelvin. Okay. 273.15 Kelvin. So this is the data which is given to us. You write it down. Then we will proceed for the solution. TF naught symbol means freezing point of a pure water, when no solute is added, only solvent is there, pure solvent. Then what is the freezing point? That is 273.15 Kelvin, that is 0 degree Celsius for pure water. Note it down, then we will go for the solution. So first bit we will find out freezing point depression. Okay, let us solve. Let us find out the first bit. Every data we have. We will apply the formula and find the first bit, that is freezing point depression. Bit 1, delta TF. Depression, we are for freezing point we are showing delta TF. How much the freezing point is decreased? That is the depression in freezing point. So delta TF equals to, you know the formula very well, KF. KF is the molar depression constant into W2 into 1000 by M2 into W1. It is very similar for elevation in boiling point. Only thing is we are putting delta TF and KF. Rest all is similar. Okay, this is the formula. We will simply substitute the values to calculate delta TF. KF value is given to be 1.86 Kelvin kg mole inverse. W2 value, W2 is mass of the solute, that is 45 grams into 1000. M2 is molar mass of solute, we have calculated 62 grams per mole. W1 is mass of solvent, that is given to us to be 600 grams. So all the values we have substituted. So after calculation, what do we get? 2.25 Kelvin. We get delta TF to be 2.25 Kelvin. Okay. Now the depression in freezing point is this much. We have to calculate freezing point of solution. So you see, delta TF is also expressed by the first bit is salt. We will come to the second bit. Depression in freezing point. How much the freezing point has decreased? We applied the formula, we got it. But how much the freezing point has decreased? There is a formula for that also. That is difference. That is the TF naught minus TF. Remember, freezing point of solvent will always be greater than that of solution. The solvent freezing point will always be greater than the solution freezing point. TF naught is freezing point of a pure water or pure solvent. TF is freezing point of, freezing point of solution. TF is freezing point of solution. When you add solute to that solvent, then what is the freezing point of solution? That is given by TF. Okay. So we have to calculate TF. Alright. So I am mentioning here where TF is freezing point. You will write in a separate line of solution. TF is the freezing point of solution. Okay, and that we have to calculate in the second bit. So the depression in freezing point means how much the freezing point has decreased. Always the solvent freezing point is greater than the solution freezing point. So TF naught, solvent freezing point, is greater than TF. So that is why we have written TF naught minus TF. Then I have to calculate TF. So what I will get? TF equal to TF naught minus delta TF. I can say that from the above equation. Okay. So TF naught, that is freezing point of pure solvent, we know the value, that is 273.15 Kelvin. Delta TF we just calculated in bit 1, substitute that. And after calculation, we will get the value to be 270.9 Kelvin. Okay, so we got the value. Freezing point of solution TF we calculated, second bit. First bit was depression in freezing point. Complete this, then we will go for the next question again on depression in freezing point. Okay. Now let us go for the next question, again based on depression in freezing point. Another question. It is given 1 gram of a non-electrolyte solute is dissolved in 50 grams of benzene. 1 gram of non-electrolyte solute. This is also NCERT question. 1 gram of non-electrolyte solute dissolved in 50 grams of benzene. Dissolved in 50 grams of benzene lowers the freezing point of benzene by 0.40 Kelvin. Lowers the freezing point of benzene by 0.40 Kelvin. Okay, it is given to us. The freezing point depression constant of benzene is given 5.12 Kelvin kg mole inverse. Kf for benzene. It is written freezing point depression constant. So I am using symbol Kf, that is 5.12 Kelvin kg mole inverse. This is also given. You have to find the molar mass of the solute. We have to find the molar mass of solute. So this is the question. First you note it down. If you observe this question, it is given solute mass is given 1 gram, solvent is benzene whose mass is 50 gram, and the depression in freezing point, that is also given to us. How much the freezing point has decreased, that is 0.40 Kelvin. So this is all given to us. Ks for benzene is also given to us. Our work is to calculate the molar mass of solute. So here also we will use the equation. Here also we will use the equation for delta Tf. Okay. So first of all, let us write down what is known to us. You can better note it down. Question. Okay. Now let us solve it. We have to find the molar mass. First we will write what is given to us. W2, that is mass of solute. First let us write down the notations. M2 is molar mass of solute. W1 is mass of solvent. Solvent is benzene. And Kf is molar depression constant, or we can say freezing point depression constant. So first of all, mass of solute is given 1 gram of solute. Molar mass of solute is not given, we have to find it out. Mass of solvent is also given 50 grams. Molar point freezing point depression constant or you can say molar depression constant is given 5.12 Kelvin kg mole inverse. Now we have to calculate, we know what is delta TF. Delta TF is also given to us. Depression in freezing point. Delta TF, that is the depression in freezing point, it is given to be 0.40 Kelvin. Okay. We have to calculate M2. So in a single step the answer can be solved. We will first write the equation for delta TF equals to Kf into 1000 into W2 by M2 into W1. We have to find M2. So bring the unknown one side and all the known in other side. So cross multiply. M2 equals to Kf into 1000 into W2. 1000 into W2 by delta TF into W1. Okay, I cross multiply delta TF here, M2 here. Unknown one side, all the known in one side. Okay, now let us substitute all the values. If you substitute, all the values is known to us. Kf value is known to us, delta TF value known, W1, W2, you will substitute it. So when you will substitute, you will get the value of M2 to be 256 grams per mole. Okay, molar mass always expressed in gram mole inverse. So here you will substitute. In the next step, you must substitute the values. Okay, and answer is there. So this is how we solved both the freezing point depression question, and that's all. Thank you.